So hi guys, this is Paul Thompson. Just a quick video to show you how and where to find your commissions in your Lev AI back office and where you need to go to set up your payments and so on to receive commissions. So when you're in your back office, this comes to your dashboard, which is what we're looking at right now. If you're not seeing this, then perhaps you need to update your subscription and then you'll make your way into your back office. So once you're in your back office, you've got these icons down the left. If you expand those for a second, you'll see that you've got commissions here. You've got a section for commissions. Click on that. And this is where you'll find all your commissions that have been paid to you. And you'll see you've got various options here. You've got monthly amounts. And in the month of October, I've not received any commissions. But if we go back to September, you'll see there are commissions there. And these are the 4% that you get from the various levels that you qualify for, depending on how many active legs you've got and how much volume you have in those legs. What you'll also see here is if you change to weekly, you'll see that you see the other commissions that are coming in, which are, and again, if we go back to the weeks, the relevant weeks are the week 1, where you can see commissions there. These are the, if I click on these ones, you'll see those are the 100% commissions at $30. Those are your initial referral commissions. And then if you click on this one here, that's your ongoing monthly commissions at 20%. And so that's for the week 1. And then we've got week 2. And you can see there's more there. And then in week 3, obviously that's this coming week, or the week that we're in at the moment. And so that will populate during the course of the week. So what you want to do as far as setting up your account, everything in that you earn is counted in points. So you click on points section. And if you go to you'll see there all the points that you've got accumulated and what your commissions are for any given period. You can have a look through all of those. And then we need to go to the profile. And here it says commissions account. Click on commissions account, take me to my account. And here you'll see something different to what you're seeing here. What you'll see is a request to set everything up. And so this is where you set everything up. This is levaiglobalwallet.com and accessible by clicking in the commission section. And of course, you'll need, before you do this, you need to make sure that your profile is properly set up with all the correct information and so on. And you'll need to send some information to the payment processor to confirm who you are, normal stuff, your passport or driver's license, that sort of thing. And there is a video that will walk you through how everything works as well. So that's where you find your commissions and how you get them paid out. You can see here you can click on withdraw funds and set up a payment out to your bank account or one or two other places that you can send it to debit card, for example. And then away you go, you're all set. Then once you've got this set up, you only need to set this up once. You can set automatic payments from your commissions to your bank. And as you can see, that was a test that I did to make sure that goes through. I'm waiting for that $7 to go into my account. So this is where you would arrange to set up your automatic payment options. And you can go in there and edit that. And there you can add accounts that you want to send your money to from this payment processor. So once you've received your commissions, you can have them sent to your choice of bank, and you can set everything up in that section there. So there we go. Just to remind you, you go from your dashboard in Lev AI, you go to your profile, then you go to commission account, take me to my account, which will take you to a different website, which is where you set up all your payment details in order to receive your commissions. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.